Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. YouTube has released a new feature called Chapters to Videos. Chapters will show up alongside the scrubber bar as segments. You can see chapters in action in this video. For some YouTubers, this is not enabled. Creators don't need to use any special tools to create chapters, they can simply write the relevant timestamps in the video's description. That said, videos must have at least 3 chapters of 10 seconds or longer, and the first chapter has to start at 0:00 for the feature to work. Let us try. Start first chapter with timestamp 0:00, leave a space after the time, and now type in a short description for that timestamp. Repeat this process, adding each timestamp and description to the description box. Save your changes, then open that video. The chapters have begun to show on progress bar. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.